and you are.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, may I go just after my speaking?
मतलब
मतलब मैं क्लास छोड़ सकता हूँ क्या मेरी स्पीकिंग के बाद?
पहले ही छोड़ जाओ।
नहीं सर, पहले
कोई भी
नहीं।
क्लास नहीं छोड़ेगा आज, एक भी नहीं छोड़ेगा। जिसको छोड़नी है पहले छोड़ जाओ।
सर,
जिसको छोड़नी है पहले छोड़ दो। मैं यही कहने वाला था, नो वन विल लीव द क्लास, अदरवाइज गेट रेडी फॉर मंडे। मैंने देखा है बहुत गंदी आदत है कुछ लोगों की। विदाउट टेलिंग यू एनीथिंग मोर, नाउ आई एम अबाउट टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट इट इज सैटरडे। नाम चाहे कितना भी पहले लिख देना बेटा। गौरव को बार बार वार्न कर रहा हूं मैं, हिलना मत यहां से। देखा है मैंने कई बार से, और मार्क करके रखता हूं बेटा मैं, अलग अलग रंग से। कौन छोड़ के गया, कैसे छोड़ के गया। कितने सारे रंग होते हैं, हर रंग का मैंने एक डेफिनेशन बना रखा है कि ये वाला कलर का अगर इसके ऊपर मार्क लगा हुआ है तो क्या मतलब है इसका। नहीं लेना, छोड़ दो, नो प्रॉब्लम, छुट्टी ले लो आप। परमानेंटली जाना है परमानेंटली जाओ, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। आओ तो वेलकम, जाओ तो भीड़ कम, सीधी सी बात है यहाँ तो। इतना लाग लपेट नहीं रखते अपन। क्लियर हो गई बात आपको अब? हिलना मत यहां से, पहले हिल जाओ हिलना है तो। अरे हिसाब होता है किसी चीज का। और जो नहीं आए ना आज बिना इंफॉर्मेशन के, मंडे को क्लास नहीं होगी उसकी। और होएगी तो 500 पेनल्टी जमा करवा दे पहले, फिर ले क्लास। सो B20 एंड B23, अब B21 को तो मैं बोलूं क्या, क्योंकि वो तो B20 में सारे के सारे आ ही रहे। B21 वाले तो केवल उनको थोड़ा सा एडवांस अपन करवा रहे हैं, बाकी B21 वाले सारे के सारे B20 में आ रहे हैं। तो B20 वालों के लिए आपका टॉपिक है आज तक्षशिला यूनिवर्सिटी, और B23 इनका टॉपिक है अपने बारे में बोलना है आपको B23 वालों को। क्लियर? समझ में आ गई बात? मैं जरा, सो वी आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट टुडेज क्लास। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम कॉलिंग, और ये कोई है ना, ये कमेंट बाजी करना बंद कर दो बैच के इसके मेल बॉक्स के अंदर। पहले भी समझा चुका हूं मैं आपको, पहले भी समझा चुका हूं मैं आपको ये चीज। आप तो कमेंट बाजी करते हो तो मेरे को नाम ढूंढने पड़ते हैं एक एक के। फिर डिलीट करो इनको, किसने डाले हैं, डिलीट करो इनको, डिलीट करो किसने डाले हैं, डिलीट कर दो फटाफट से।
सर ये डिलीट ही नहीं
नहीं
होता।
होगा तो पेनल्टी दे देना बेटा आप तुम, बस। मंडे को उसकी भी क्लास नहीं होगी जिसने कमेंट डाले हैं यहाँ पे, सुन लेना कान खोल के, अच्छे से समझ लो। बार बार मना कर चुका हूं मैं आपको, ये चैटिंग की जगह नहीं है आपकी। मंडे को अपने पेरेंट्स को लेके आना है यहाँ पे। अब मैं कहां ढूंढूं तुम्हारे नाम? हाँ, तुम्हारे नाम ढूंढूं या मैं इनको कमेंट्स को पढ़ूं? डिलीट कर दो इनको फटाफट से। नाम लिख रहा हूं मैं, किस किसने कमेंट डाले अभी ये। तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स से बात करूंगा आज फोन करके मैं। डिलीट कर दो फटाफट से इनको। हाँ यस, अभी तो मैं क्लास चालू कर रहा हूँ, और भी बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे। मंडे को बात करूंगा तुमसे मैं। हाँ यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal. Today I am going to tell you about Takshila. So,
So as we know that for last 2 or 3 days we are learning about Takshila. So what is Takshila? It is an ancient university which was in the southwest near Peshawar
हम्म
in India, and
हम्म
now the Peshawar is in Pakistan. So the university was well known at that time, and it's the echoes of its greatness still सर गूंजने को क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या चीज?
गूंजना.
इको?
नहीं सर, नो सर, the echoes of
रिसाउंड्स?
its greatness.
हाँ
अच्छा, the sounds of its greatness still
हम्म
echoes in it still echoes in India. So from the Jatak stories we know that we got to know that in the Takshila University there was no discrimination just like today. The son of a king and the son of a poor man was equal at that time.
हम्म
If they are in the university, there is no difference between them. They both will be provided with the same facilities. No supporters for from their ruling family, or there would be no discrimination against the poor classes.
हम्म
And we also knew that there came the sons and the son of nobles, brahmins, great scholars, etc.
हम्म
And there were many incidents in which when Buddha felt ill, the physician who was brought to cure him was from Takshila University.
हम्म
And the Takshila and that's it, sir.
बस ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ऐसे कौन खत्म करता है? गौरव?
यस सर। सर मैं कैमरा बंद रख सकता
ना
हूँ नेट
नो,
इशू के लिए?
कोई इशू नहीं है, नेट का कैमरा चालू रखो अपना।
ओके। So hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about the University of Takshila. So as you have heard about many famous universities or ancient universities of India like Nalanda, Vikramshila, Pallavi, so Takshila is one of them. It was located in the northwest of undivided India near Peshawar. Peshawar, uh, or and it's in modern day Pakistan now. But at that time India was undivided because because Takshila was very ancient and it existed a long time ago. So also, like many the three other universities I told about, Takshila was also famous among Buddhist, Brahmins, son of nobles, and some upcoming nobles which will become nobles afterwards. And and also many some rich man, the king sent their sons and daughters or their children to Takshila for education. And in Takshila, or at that time in any big university, there was no ratification.
हम्म
There was pure thinking skill, abstract thinking skills, and moral education, and critical thinking, and more things. That's why uh, many rich men and kings send their children to that university. And also
हम्म
uh, it is said that the physicians of the Takshila were very educated and very skilled, because it is said that whenever the great Buddha felt unwell, so physicians were called from Takshila. That and it proves that how great Takshila was. And also, like Takshila, there are many other university,
शाबाश
but Takshila is also one of them, and one of the greatest and biggest university in the whole world. And it will be for like hundreds of years. I think so. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, now Arshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Maurya, and today's my topic is the Takshila University. So, as we all know very well, that Takshila University was a very great university, and it is well known in today's world by now. And whenever we talk of Takshila University, there are many things in our mind just because of the teachings that used to take place there, and also because of many great personalities who used to teach there and who also used to study there. Just like we may, from the ancient history, we have been taught that the great Chanakya also is associated with that university, and also Chandragupta Maurya is also believed to be studied to be in that university.
कैमरे सबके चालू
And
रहेंगे, कोई कैमरा बंद नहीं करेगा अपना, सब दिखते रहेंगे मेरे को बराबर, कोई कैमरा बंद नहीं करेगा अपना, बराबर विजिबल रहेंगे सारे के सारे. ये एब्सेंट मानूंगा मैं उसको, चला गया क्लास में से वो. बोलो बेटा.
yes, sir. And that university in that time was present in Peshawar, which is presently present in Pakistan. But that was a very great significance for India, and by now it is a very proud moment for India, because that was a part of India. And at that time, there used to be many great leaders, and also there when Gautam Buddha was ill, then the physician who came was also associated with that university, and because of the great significance of that university, we would always keep that university in our minds and hearts. That's it, sir.
Very good. Just come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I'm expressing my views on the University of Takshila. So we know that the University of Takshila was one of the greatest university of its time, like the time of 5th century and 1st century and 5th century. It was the Takshila University was running between 6th century before Common Era to 5th century current era. So and at this time the greatness of this university was at its peak, like from all over the world, from India people came to study in this university, and the knowledge of whole world is situated in this university. And it was very big university, and it was located and we know that at that time India was undivided, and India was undivided, and it was located in the northwest of India near Peshawar, and currently we see it is located at Punjab, Pakistan. So it was a great university, and it was mainly popular for medical and arts, and especially for medicines, and many great physicians studied in this university, like like we know, like from like we heard, we hear that whenever Lord Buddha felt unwell, so
Hmm.
physicians from this university were called to treat Buddha ji. So we
Hmm.
can, by this we can say that it was a pre-Buddhist university and was very big university,
Hmm.
that for the treatment of Buddha ji, physicians were called from this university only. So, and also from Jatak stories, we know that for this university, all people, whether from a noble family or from a poor family or from any family, all people were equal. Like in Jatak stories, we see that sons of nobles came here came here unattended and unarmed to study here. They lived a basic life in this university and study and used to study in this university. They did not bear or have or had any they did not bear or have any bodyguards
Hmm.
in this university while studying. So all people were treated equally in this
Hmm. Hmm.
university. And um, and it was one of the greatest university, as I said before. So now, but currently it is not as like it was before, because now it is now it is it has been destroyed by Britishers or different kingdoms.
Hmm.
We know this. So but before, in that era, the influence of this university was very big. That's it, sir.
Very good. Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meeran. Today's topic is Takshila University. So, Takshila University is in northeast in divided India. In divided India near Peshawar.
Hmm. Hmm.
Peshawar. This this is the famous university like Vikramshila, Pallavi, Nalanda, and Takshila.
Hmm. Hmm.
Takshila is famous. There is no, there is no comparison in children's or some students.
Hmm.
There's there everyone is equal there, and now it is destroyed by British
Hmm.
British and British, and there are so many books. It is there and Buddhist and other nobles and teachers are studied there, and some people came there to the study only and live simple life there.
Hmm.
There's um, they give honor to they, they give honor to people who graduated from Takshila University. Takshila University. That's it, sir.
Okay. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is Takshila University that we have been reading for about 2 days. So there are a lot of things to talk about Takshila University because it is one and only the oldest university ever considered.
Hmm.
And with it, we also talk about Nalanda University, which is now like which was destroyed, obviously. So Nalanda University is in Bihar and in India, but unfortunately, Takshila, Takshila is in Pakistan right now because of the partition of India and Pakistan.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it's a thing. It's a thing of proud that India had once India has once stabilized the greatest university of the world,
Hmm.
and it was not just a university. It was an international institute of, or we can say uh, a education system that that could never be seen anywhere in this world. Like people from different people from distances came there to be graduate, and it was an honor and distinction to be graduate of Takshila,
Hmm.
because there the system was different from others, and there was equality.
Hmm.
If a student is poor or rich, his background is a power or normal, so they were seen equally, and they were given education equally, which can never be seen in today's time. So there is still distinction in today's time. But Takshila University was mainly famous for science, arts, and science. In science, it was mainly famous for medicine.
Shabash, very good.
So it was the university. I think I researched it. It was the university of only undergraduation, like UG programs.
Hmm.
And Nalanda was famous for its post graduation programs that was offered at that time. And Nalanda was especially famous for its legendary library,
Hmm.
which carried a lot of like thousands of books together.
Hmm.
And it's an unfortunate for us, like we have lost everything, but still we remain a mark of, what to say, a mark of knowledge.
Hmm.
And yeah, it was the best. And in future, if the time would change, so it will be revived. That's it, sir.
Very good. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today, my topic is about Taxila University. As you know that it was situated in northwest area near Peshawar,
Hmm.
and as you know that it was famous for its own important like that in the Taxila University. In the Taxila University, many students took their education
Hmm.
like in the field of science and medicine, and it was said that Takshila University was famous for all the students, and in the Takshila University all were equal.
Shabash.
Whenever the Brahman's son and the son of king always came there for education. They didn't take any arm, and
Shabash.
they
Shabash.
only
Hmm.
came there to be graduation, and
To be graduated.
and
Hmm. To be graduate.
to be
Huh.
graduated.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. And there were many examples in 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 Jatak stories. Like in the Jatak stories, it was said that in the different countries, people came there to get good education,
Hmm.
and it was honorable for those students who had taken their degrees
Hmm.
from the university,
Hmm.
and and in the university all there were many facilities, and all were equal for the teachers, and whenever Buddha was sick, in the in that period,
हम्म
a physician who has taken their degree from Taxila University
हम्म
was called
शाबाश हम्म
for the treatment of Buddha,
हम्म
and it was the center of Buddhist scholarship, and there were many. It attracted the Buddhist son, and it was also the center of Buddhist, because there were many Buddhist, and the Buddhist of Asia and Afghanistan
हम्म
also came there to to get a good education,
शाबाश शाबाश हाँ
and
हम्म
in the Takshila University there were many books, and there were all the things were provided
शाबाश
to the
बहुत बढ़िया
students, and in the Taxila University there there were many students who has taken their degrees, and and it was famous all time, and this university was good for all,
हम्म
and that's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड सिमरन
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I am Simran, and today I am telling about the University of Taxila.
हम्म
And you know, the University of Taxila was very famous university, and it was situated in northwest India.
हम्म
And unfortunately now its palace is situated in Pakistan, and
हम्म
Taxila was the greatest university because there because there were taught many difficult subjects
हम्म
like science and arts
हम्म
and medical science.
आराम से बोल बेटा आराम से बोल घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी फोकस करके बोल आराम से बेटा हाँ बोल बेटा हम्म
And it is famous because many students came here for the study, and
हम्म
many students came here, not only India but also out of countries, and they came here without weapon and
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया बेटा
weapon.
हाँ
I mean, their servant, whatever their facility, because they were focused on getting the knowledge, and they came here for getting education, and whenever the Lord Buddha was felt unwell, and there his students, I mean his followers, whatever, they called that doctor who had
शाबाश
taken who had taken knowledge from Taxila University
वेरी गुड हाँ
uh,
धीरे धीरे बोल बेटा तसल्ली से बोल बेटा
because
हाँ हाँ
because they because they were uh, trustable
रिलायबल
doctors
हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोल बेटा हाँ हाँ बोल 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 कोई बात नहीं तू बोल हो जाएगा सब ठीक हो जाएगा कोई टेंशन नहीं तो बोल बेटा हाँ
in
हाँ
in India, not only India but also the whole world. And uh, many and during that time the Taxila University slowly became the greatest university, and their students became like Buddhist students, and uh, uh, ma- many students came here from many countries like Afghanistan and China and Central Asia, वगैरह. And you know, the it's it's uh, it's सर दिखाने को मतलब सर.
शो दिखाना शो बेटा
Okay,
हाँ
sir. It's so the Indian uh, the Indian proud the Indian education, the Indian old education, and you know, Indian old education was very proudable, and it's learn it about me. It's take it's give about uh, our historical science, and our Indian study. I mean Indian graduation, whatever, but the Indian history was very sir.
बोल बेटा
The Indian history was very proudable. That's it, sir.
ओके घबराया मत कर बेटा बिल्कुल भी है ना अच्छा बोलने लग गई है कोई चिंता मत कर तू है ना हाँ बिल्कुल मत घबराया कर डरा मत कर बिल्कुल भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं क्या है तेरी
सर हाँ थोड़ी सी.
थोड़ी सी कितने ग्राम चलो ओके खुशी काम और बाकी के लोग भी है B23
Yes, sir.
वाले भी नाम लिख दो अपने
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about Takshila University.
हाँ
The Takshila University was an ancient and famous university.
हाँ
It was located in the northwest of undivided India, near Peshawar city of Pakistan. It was famous for teaching arts and science and medicines and other subjects. Many students came here from so far places, and this the Takshila University was very famous university in that time, because Jatak stories said that
Hmm.
son of nobles and Brahmins came to study there, and they traveled in Takshila University
Hmm.
alone and without weapons and without
Shabash. Very good.
personal facilities.
Very good, beta.
All were equal there,
हाँ.
and in Takshila University there were many facilities,
Hmm.
and whenever Buddha Buddha was sick, a famous physician treated him, and during Buddha's period,
Hmm.
it was known as center of Buddhist study,
Hmm.
and many Buddhist students came to study, and
Hmm.
students also came there
Hmm.
from Center Asia and Afghanistan and other countries,
Hmm.
and it was an honor to be a graduate of Takshila University,
Shabash.
and the Takshila University, one of the oldest and best university in the world. That's it, sir.
ओके, ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश किया कर बस अच्छे से, है ना बेटा? आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
आदित्य
I'm
फ्रॉम B20, यस.
हाँ सर,
हाँ हाँ, वो एक और है हमारे पास B23 में भाई, यस.
वो तो मेरे को पता चल गया था ना कि मेरा नंबर है.
बस उसको तो
मेरे
पता
को
नहीं चलेगा, वो घबरा जाएगा अभी कि मेरा कहाँ से नाम बोल दिया. बोल.
हाँ
हाँ.
ठीक है. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya, and today's our topic is about Takshila University. As we all know that it was located in the northwest of undivided India near the Peshawar, which is in now Pakistan. And Takshila University is very great university in Buddhist period, and so many subjects were be taught there, like medical science, arts, and other subjects and other subjects will be would be taught there, and and in the Jatak stories reveal that the university was so well regarded that sons of nobles and Brahmins traveled there from distant parts of India, and um, often unattended and unarmed to receive on education.
To
And
get education, receiving to get education. हाँ बोलो, या to be educated. बोल आगे बोल बेटा. हाँ.
yes sir. And when the Lord Lord Buddha feel
Unwell.
unwell, and then the doctors from the Takshila University went to the Lord Buddha and gave the medicines and give all the facilities him, and during the Buddhist period, Takshila became a major center of
Oh, very good. Shabash. हाँ.
major center for Buddhist scholarship, attracting students from all over India and across the border. So at last, I want to say that if now a time if now a time people is now time people learn in
nowadays हाँ
Takshila.
बोलो
Nowadays people learn in Takshila University, so now so many people became sorry, so many people take so many achievements in nowadays. Yes, that's it.
Okay, very good. And now I think this is the turn of Vaishnavi. आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone, and sir. And I'm telling about and I'm describing about University of Takshila. Before telling the University of Takshila, I want to say that in this world, there are many universities in this world, like Cambridge University, Oxford University in London, and etc. And it is a very famous universities. And now I'm taking and I'm providing the Takshila University. You know that Takshila University was a famous and ancient university, and it is located at the Peshawar, and at that time it was the period of undivided India in the northwest.
शाबाश, बहुत
And
बढ़िया. हाँ.
and this university was especially for science, arts, and particularly for medical. And some people were come from many parts of India, and
Would
some
come. हाँ.
are from
Would come. हाँ.
would come from Central Asia, Afghanistan, to get education from this university. And and this university is also known as the pre-Buddhist university, because I'm telling about why is this known as the pre-Buddhist university, because when the Gautam Buddha felt very unwell. His felt unwell, and some physicians who studied from the university, and his admirers were brought to physicians to take care the Gautam Buddha. So that's why this is known as the pre-Buddhist university. I'm telling about the small part of the history that my father told me
Very
of this
good.
university.
शाबाश.
That there were Chinese travelers. Their names were Fainan and
Wensang.
Hensang.
Yes.
Hensang, Fainan and Hensang. And they were come from Chinese, so they came here to get education from Takshila University, and to research and study of the Buddha inscriptions in the 7th BC.
Very good.
And
Very nice. Yes.
as my father told me for some few minutes, and
I think your father is the professor of history.
Yes, sir. So
yes.
that's why he told me.
Yes. Very good.
So my father suggest me to get this knowledge to sir and other students, that they should know the history of Takshila. And so the Takshila University is was very good, and it is located at the present time in Pakistan. So, and during the Buddhist period, many students came across the border of
Would come.
Would come.
और नहीं लगाना है, थोड़ा वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस कर बेटा.
would come
हाँ.
across the border of India and many other countries, and the Jatak stories the Jatak stories is was very famous, and there were examples like of nobles and sons of Brahmins, and so and it was considered to be honored to get be educated from Takshila University. So at last, I want to say that this was the uh, that I spoke about the university. Thank you, sir. That's
ओके
it.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस किया कर बेटा, है ना. बाकी तो सब कुछ बढ़िया है, कॉन्फिडेंस वगैरह एवरीथिंग इज वेरी गुड, है ना. थोड़ा सा करो बेटा, हो जाएगा. एंड यस, वेरी गुड. एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ B23. सो कोई डरने की बात नहीं है, कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है. ये लोग जो तुम्हारे सामने बोल रहे हैं ना बेटा, स्टार्टिंग में सबके साथ में ऐसा होता है. डरना नहीं, घबराना नहीं. आराम से अपने बारे में, क्या नाम है, कहाँ रहते हो, क्या करते हो, कितनी तुम्हारी एज है ना. जितना अपने बारे में फोकस करोगे उतना बोल लोगे तुम. समझता है. आई एम कॉलिंग रौनक. कम ऑन रौनक.
Good evening, sir. Today I am telling about myself. My name is Ronak Berwa. I am 17 years. I live in Jaipur. I am preparing for the JEE exam. There are 5 members in my family. I get up early in the morning.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड.
My mother's name is Srimati Sajni Devi. She is a laborer in a company. She is about 35 years. My father's name is Shriman Mukesh Kumar.
वेरी गुड.
He is about 45 years. He is a painter. I has 2 siblings.
आई हैव.
Their name
बोल बोल बोल, आगे बोल. रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना, पता
their
चल
names
जाएगा.
are
बोलो.
their names are Rahul and Radhika. I take tea and sandwich in the breakfast.
वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड.
I am hardworking. I am hardworking and self-motivated. I am quickly learner. I like solving math problems. I like writing in a diary at night.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, ऐसे सोच 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 के आराम से बोलो, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
I love music
वेरी गुड.
in the night. I go to the library at 9 a.m. I come back at 3 p.m. from library.
शाबाश. तसल्ली से आराम से. वेरी
I
गुड.
enjoy learning science, maths. I love my family very much. That's it, sir.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. हो गई शुरुआत तुम्हारी है बेटा. फर्स्ट टाइम बोला है ना बेटा आज. हो गया.
Yes, sir.
कोई चिंता मत करो, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, हो जाएगा काम. यस, नाउ अन्नू. Her name is here, but she is not here. Where is she? I don't know. I think she is traveling. Okay, no problem. Come on, Kalpana. Kalpana,
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Alright. Yes, sir. Today my topic is the University of Takshila. Takshila was a ancient India city which is now in north western Pakistan.
शाबाश, घबरा मत, बिल्कुल भी आराम से बोल, तसल्ली से, सही गलत की चिंता मत कर, बोल बेटा
The
आराम से।
famous university,
हाँ
the famous university of Takshila.
हाँ
Takshila was from Buddhist university. Many students come from knowledge. At times, students from all over the world came to study there.
शाबाश, धीरे धीरे बोल, तसल्ली से। काजल का नाम रह गया, बोलूंगा काजल का नाम, मिस हो गया। हाँ बोल
The
बेटा, बोल।
world's first and oldest
हाँ, अरे ये मत चलो, वो वाली चलाओ दूसरी। हाँ बोल बेटा, घबराए मत, बोल, फोकस कर, इधर उधर ध्यान मत दे, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा सारा अभी। हाँ
Gently
हाँ
University.
हाँ,
That's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड। अब थोड़ा कंटिन्यू रहना बेटा क्लास में, है ना। हाँ, यस नाउ काजल, मिस हो गया इसका नाम। कम ऑन काजल, ये B23 से है बेटा, घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी, आराम से, तसल्ली से, जैसे अभी रौनक ने बोला, एक एक छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस जितना बोल सकती है आराम से, कोई पाबंदी नहीं है बेटा, इतना ही बोलना है। कॉन्फिडेंट बोलो बेटा, आराम से, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today is my topic about me. My name is Kajal Darwa. I live in Jaipur. I read in first year. I get up early at 6 a.m. I read the newspaper daily.
शाबाश।
I breakfast. नहीं.
I take breakfast.
I take in.
गलत सही की चिंता मत कर, तू बोल बस। हाँ
I take in breakfast milk and biscuit. I go to temple every Tuesday.
हाँ
I am honest. My father and mother both are hardworking. I am good in communication. My mother name is Srimati Kavita Devi and my father name Shriman Sitaram Bairwa. I like play football and cricket. I like clothes. I watch TV. I use this mobile. I am 17 years old. I wear simple clothes. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं है, बिल्कुल मत घबरा। हाँ वो हो जाएगा, सब हो जाएगा, बस एक बार शुरुआत होनी, कोई चिंता मत कर, सब ठीक है बेटा, है ना। सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर एक बार, रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है सारी क्लासेस की। यस आरुषि।
Hello everyone. Today's my topic is myself. My name is Arushi Meena. I am 11 years old. I study at Stanford School. My father's name is Marshchand Meena. My mother's name is Hansi Bai Meena. I play my hobby is playing badminton. I wake up early in the morning and get ready for school.
Shabash.
I respect my teachers,
Very good.
parents and teachers.
Very good. Very good.
My dream is a get job. I am a student. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। कोशिश किया करो ऐसे ही बस। अब रोजाना स्पीकिंग रहेगी तुम्हारी क्लास में। B23 वालों की रोजाना स्पीकिंग रहेगी भैया, ठीक है ना? हाँ। यस नाउ आर्यन, कम ऑन बेटा, आजा बेटा। हाँ बेटा। तो बोल बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Sir, my name is Aryan and I live in Jaipur and I study in class 6. I study in class 7.
आराम से, तसल्ली से।
My school name is Jaipuriya Vidyalaya and I wakes up at around 5 o'clock. I sleeps at 10 o'clock. And my mother's name is Sanju Kumari and my father's name is Sri Sankumar Punia. I have many friends and my hobby is playing kabaddi.
थोड़ा ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं। यस नाउ आदित्य।
My name is Aditya. I am 12 years old. I live in Jaipur. I read in class 7. I am study for Jaipur Public School. There are 5 members in my family. My father name is Jogendra Berwa. My mother name is Seema Devi. My father is a doctor. My mother is a housewife.
शाबाश।
My favorite subject is math. My favorite play cricket. I eat healthy food. My best friend is Tapus. I respect all my elders. I get up early in the morning. I want to be a doctor
शाबाश।
like my father. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा। सब लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है। वेरी गुड, कैरी ऑन, कीप इट अप बेटा।